Hi, my name is Ashika, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use a counter in FlexLogger with your mioDAQ device. So for my setup today, I already have a mioDAQ device connected to my computer, and on it I have DIO0 connected to DIO1 with a simple loopback wire. Now DIO0 is also connected to our counter, so when we set up our channels, we have to make sure that we reference that. So let's go over to FlexLogger, and I have a brand new project open. And I'm going to be setting up line 0 as our digital input and line 1 as our digital output. Now, we want to make sure that when we set up our counter, we're setting it as a pulse. And then also that the edge is set to rising or falling based on what you would prefer. Now, you can see in the input terminal what I was mentioning before. Line 0 is what corresponds to our counter 0. Now on the screen, I'm going to go ahead and add a numeric indicator, which will be connected to our counter so we can see as we count the pulses. And then I'm going to be adding a button. And this is connected to digital output line 1. Now every time I press the button, you can see that the counter increments by 1. And that's it. That's how you use a counter in FlexLogger. Thanks for watching.